Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 3D AI name images with Bing AI. So if you're looking for some images like this and want to use it anywhere you wish, yes, it is very possible with Bing AI. So of course, what you want to do first is to simply go to your Microsoft Edge browser, and then here you have to simply type Bing Create or Bing AI Create. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to click the very first link. This is what it looks like, and you need to create an account. So you have to tap join for free and create an account. And as you can see here, it's limited because I'm just using the basic version. Okay, so to start, what you want to do is to type your words here, keywords, or your prompt. For example, you're looking for this image. Okay, so you can follow what I'm going to type here. For example, create a 3D realistic image where a couple, let's just say a couple wearing blue hoodie, something like that. Or actually, everything is up to you. So, this is just an example where a couple in blue casually sitting on a wingback chair, wearing a hoodie, sneakers, and glasses. And you can also add other words or prompts. Okay, so the boy looks ahead, something like that. And the background features INC and capital golden fonts on the white lighting wall. You can also include no shadows. No shadow and wings should appear as if he and she is an angel. And then once done, what you want to do is to simply click create and wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. Then you will see the result below. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and you just have to wait. And as you can see, it's now 14 because I'm just using the basic version. So here are the results, and all you have to do is simply select from any of these pictures here. If you want to change something, you can go back and edit, and you will see another result for your prompts. But once you're okay with this, all you have to do is simply go to download, tap download. You can also share, save, customize. But for me, since I'm satisfied with the result, then I can now simply click download. Now, if you want to add some effects, you can also go to CapCut and then upload your picture. And here you can see different animation, adjustment, and AI style. If you want to change something like the effects, but you need to upgrade it to Pro, so you have to tap Join Pro. For the meantime, if you are not using Pro, then you can change the effects, transitions, animations of your AI picture that you have generated from Bing AI. So this is the outcome, and I know you can do better than this. So this is how you create a 3D AI name images with Bing AI. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.